How you feeling over there?
Not good, dumbass. Suck my fucking donkey dick. Camel cock loving, licking. My goddamn asshole feels like a fucking camel hump.
Like a what?
Like, damn, no wonder you didn't want to drink your second one because you already knew. Oh, let's get Tyler so you can have fucking diarrhea. Dumbass. My dumbass would fucking drink the shit. Nah, I'm fucking on twist. Fucking feel this shit. Like, god damn it. Every time I wipe my ass, it feels like I'm wiping my ass with motherfucking moccasins and shit.
Does it hurt?
Like, yo, dude. This isn't fucking cool, dude. Yeah. Juicy J, fuck you. When you want to get lean, you get lean and sit your fucking ass on the toilet seat. Cause god damn it, this shit burns like a motherfucking big ass. God damn it. You hear me? Trevor.
Yeah.
This fucking toilet's burnt.
You gotta do what I said.
What?
Do what I said.
What'd you say?
Gotta stick your finger in there.
You're dumb.